Hello! In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my experience of walking, trekking and living completely barefoot for last 10 months and how you can also start living barefoot, maybe a little bit, maybe a few hours, maybe a few minutes, how you can step into it, what to expect out of that experience. Why did I decide to be barefoot? Well, I think it was more of an intuitive thing, and my friends around were already doing it. So I just stepped into it. I didn't take it one step at a time. For example, going, 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, or 1 hour a day, but I just like leaped into it. And luckily, it was really easy for me because we are meant to walk barefoot in nature. So, because I had mostly soil and natural surface around me, it was super easy, and my feet now has become so much more stronger that if I go on the road and there is some even glass that is around, only the upper layer of my skin gets affected, and I'm pretty happy about it. But if you want to start walking barefoot, I would highly suggest that you go slowly. Go to your garden or go to a nearby place where you can walk on the grass or on the soft soil, and that's how you start into getting barefoot. Ouch! Ooh. One question that I've gotten so many times is, don't you get hurt from the stones and the thorn? And I would say that initially I would get hurt, but it was not so much. And slowly you get to know where to step and where to not step. And your feet is also much more stronger. So it's completely doable. All the animals in the nature are doing it, and I'm also doing it. Now, what are the amazing benefits that come out of it? Number one is, of course, your feet becomes very strong. There is the natural layer, the last layer of the skin that becomes super strong and which is there to protect your feet. We have multiple nerve endings in our sole, which is actually one of the top most area to have so many nerve endings. So it's not like if you're going barefoot, your eyes don't get affected. All your parts of the body are, interlinked, and everything is getting the information and connection with the environment that it needs with your feet on the floor. Also, it's very good for your alignment, so you can balance yourself out much better when you are barefoot. Your knees, your hips is more aligned and more comfortable when you are on a soft floor and walking barefoot. Now, you might be thinking that you walk barefoot already in your home, but the point is to walk on the soil and walk on the surface that is meant for your feet. It certainly adds a lot to your mental health. You get that balance, as I said, the connection with the environment is there, and so your mental health is positively impacted by just walking barefoot in the nature. There's so many studies which also prove that you can decrease your stress levels by just being connected and grounded with the nature around you. There is one more last thing that I would like to say, and that is about self-worth. I think my sense of self-worth has increased more because, example, you're in a city and you're walking barefoot, and half of the people are like amazed, but half of the people are like, what are you doing? So just being unaffected by both of these emotions is pretty good. And I think it has impacted my self-worth because I don't care. I'm just doing what I feel is more good for my body and my mind. So yes, that's a great benefit that I feel that comes out of it. Other than the physical and the mental benefits, this is the self-love and the self-worth benefit that I get from walking barefoot. If you have come till the end of this video, do comment strawberry in the comments. I would love to know. Please share this video with your friends if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. I love you and have a wonderful day.